Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Solana network on Coinbase Wallet. It's simpler than you might think, as Coinbase Wallet offers direct support for Solana and its native tokens. This means you can seamlessly manage your Solana assets, including sending and receiving them, right within the application. To begin, always make sure your Coinbase Wallet app is updated to the very latest version available. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and security enhancements for a smooth experience. Once your wallet is open, head to the main assets screen. Here, you'll find an option to add more assets or a search bar. Simply type Solana or SOL into the search. Selecting Solana will then display your current balance and allow you to view your transaction history for the network. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few taps to get started with managing your Solana holdings directly. To send or receive Solana, simply tap on Solana SOL from your list of assets. If you wish to receive, select the Receive option, and your unique Solana wallet address will be displayed as a QR code and text. For sending, choose Send, then carefully enter the recipient's Solana address and the exact amount you wish to transfer. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction to ensure your funds go to the correct destination. Remember, security is paramount. Always verify the recipient's address multiple times before confirming any Solana transaction to prevent loss of funds. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Keep it absolutely secure and private. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Finally, be mindful of network fees. While Solana transactions are known for their incredibly low costs, typically less than 1 cent, they are still a factor to consider.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.